viewers, welcome to EQ International magazine, which is India's oldest and leading solar media. Today we have Mr. Sunil with us from Solar. Hello sir, we are
Good morning. Good morning.
Okay, so sir, we are from EQ and I would like to ask some question from you. Can you please give us a brief about yourself and your company?
Yeah, thank you very much for giving this opportunity. We are one of the India's largest company. We started our company way back in 2012. We are the oldest company in India today and manufacturing grid tie inverters since beginning. Earlier we used to buy it from China and all. Then most of our customers were facing problem. Then slowly and steadily we have developed our product in 2014-15. And since then our journey started and today we have become one of the largest company. Today our manufacturing facility is providing more than 2,000 inverters per day. So that is the quantity what we are producing right now. Entirely it has been indigenously developed in India. It has been developed by the Indian people and it's almost 70% of the contents are Indian. So we are proud to have this product made by Indian people.
That's great sir. So, what are the products you are displaying this year in RAI?
In this, we are now have developed one very unique product, where because our Prime Minister has come out with the Surya Ghar Yojana and the ambitious plan is almost 2 crore homes has to be electrified. For that we have introduced a very economical version of our product wherein 6 panel, 1 inverter which will be costing less than 10,000 rupees. So that is the breakthrough in the technology what we have brought it. So this will be the first product in the world which has come out with this product. And the second product we have also developed for 2 panel because there are no low poverty people who are there who they don't want to invest more in the solar system. So for them we have developed a very low cost inverter which will be costing less than 8,000 rupees. That we call it as a micro inverter. So this is also one of the best product available for this exhibition. So we are highlighting this product in this expo.
Okay, so sir, can you tell us something more about service offering you are giving from this product?
Because all the grid tie inverters which are available in the world, they come with the service backup. So the advantage with Solare, we have almost more than 75 engineers. We have around 25 our own service stations and probably another few service network we are establishing it all over India. So probably end of December we will be having more than 40 our service station and we are giving best out of service because today as you are aware that we are pioneer in this industry and we have sold practically more than 6 lakhs inverters throughout India. So selling 6 lakhs inverter and giving the service is also one of the major tasks for us. So we are giving it. So our turnover time is around 48 hours. Less than 48 hours we are giving it. In fact, we have sold our inverters 10 years back. Still we are giving them service to our customer. Yeah, there are certain delays are there because most of the old technology components are not available. So it takes some time. But we are 100% giving the service to our customers.
Okay, and sir, what are your product launch for this financial year you are planning?
As per the product launch, I have informed you that we are now developing some new another technologies because today artificial intelligence is also becoming a very popular communication platform, or you can develop the new technology, new coding with the help of AI. So we are also developing that. So hopefully within a few months we are launching some product which will have lot of historical data and you can compare history with the present and then you can tell your circuitry how to get it advanced in the future. So this type of technology is also upcoming in the market within a couple of months time.
So are you planning to have this expansion globally?
Yeah, definitely, because we already had established offices in Portugal. USA will be having it in month of December because we are waiting for some approvals to be, because for US market we have to give a lot of we have to get a lot of approvals. So it will take some time. Other markets definitely the we have been exporting our product in African market. We have also exported in Australia. So a lot of places we are doing it, and probably slowly, steadily, our growth is growing for the export market also. And my main intention, my main vision is to give more employment to our Indian people, to protect our money, because what I have seen, or in this exhibition you must have seen, a lot of Chinese companies are there, and we are unnecessarily putting our money and going it in China's banks. So rather going it to their kitty, it should go to the Indian people, Indian bank, Indian government. So that is how our country can develop it. So that is our main vision and vision.
That's so thoughtful, sir. Sir, is there any key learning you would like to tell our viewers about your journey?
Yeah, definitely, because first of all, hard work is very important, and knowledge. Because when I was working in India, at that time we were not having that type of knowledge. When I went out, like in Germany, US and all, so a lot of people, they have inculcated the knowledge into me. And that knowledge I wanted to use it for our Indian people, for the new generation which are there.
That's great. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your time.
Thank you very much for giving this opportunity. If you want, you can just display, we have displayed a lot of new products. You can just take a photograph or video and you can.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.